Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2019 Nobel Prize in Physics. I chose this topic because it helps us understand both how the universe developed and where Earth stands within it. The prize was awarded for contributions to our understanding of the evolution of the universe and Earth's place in the cosmos, including theoretical discoveries in physical cosmology and the discovery of an exoplanet orbiting a solar-type star. At first, this topic may sound very broad, but the main idea is clear. One part of the prize recognized theoretical discoveries in physical cosmology. Physical cosmology is the study of the universe as a whole, including how it began, how it evolved, and how large-scale structures formed. Scientists developed theoretical models that helped explain the early universe after the Big Bang. They studied how tiny fluctuations in matter and energy could grow over time. These small differences eventually led to the formation of galaxies, clusters of galaxies, and the large-scale structure of the universe. This work was extremely important because it connected the laws of physics with the history of the cosmos. It showed that the universe did not develop randomly. Instead, its evolution followed physical principles that can be studied and described mathematically. This gave us a much deeper understanding of how the universe changed from a hot, nearly uniform state into the rich cosmic structure we observe today. The second part of the prize concerned the discovery of an exoplanet orbiting a solar-type star. This was the first confirmed discovery of a planet around a star like our Sun. Before this finding, scientists did not know whether planetary systems like our own were common in the universe. The discovery showed that our solar system is not necessarily unique. It also changed the way we think about Earth's place in the cosmos. Together, these discoveries were very important. Theoretical work in physical cosmology helped explain how the universe evolved, while the discovery of an exoplanet around a solar-type star showed that Earth exists within a much broader cosmic setting. I find this Nobel Prize very fascinating. It shows that science can help us understand both the history of the universe and our own position within it. It also teaches us that theory and observation work best when they support each other. In the future, this line of research may help us understand the universe even more deeply and perhaps discover more worlds like our own. Even though this topic may seem distant, it gives us an important message. The more we learn about the universe, the better we understand ourselves within it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2019 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. I chose this topic because it is closely related to technologies that we use in our daily lives. The prize was awarded for the development of lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are widely used in smartphones, laptops, and electric vehicles. They have become an essential part of modern society. Before lithium-ion batteries were developed, energy storage systems were less efficient and heavier. This made portable electronic devices difficult to design and use. The development of lithium-ion batteries was made possible by combining several important discoveries. First, scientists developed a cathode material that could store lithium ions effectively. This allowed the battery to generate a high voltage. Next, researchers improved the anode by using materials that could safely store lithium ions during charging. Finally, the combination of these materials created a rechargeable battery that is both lightweight and powerful. One of the most important features of lithium-ion batteries is their ability to be recharged many times without significant loss of performance. This makes them ideal for long-term use in electronic devices. Another advantage is their high energy density, which means they can store a large amount of energy in a small space. Because of these properties, lithium-ion batteries have enabled the development of portable electronics and electric vehicles. They also play an important role in renewable energy systems. For example, they can store energy generated by solar panels and wind turbines. This helps reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. I find this invention very important because it supports a more sustainable future. It shows how chemistry can contribute directly to solving global energy problems. In the future, further improvements in battery technology may lead to even more efficient and environmentally friendly energy storage systems. Even though we use these batteries every day, we often do not think about the science behind them. This award reminds us that scientific innovation can have a direct impact on our lives. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2019 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. I chose this topic because it explains how our bodies respond to oxygen levels, which is essential for survival. The prize was awarded for discoveries of how cells sense and adapt to oxygen availability. Oxygen is necessary for producing energy in cells. However, oxygen levels can change depending on the environment or physical condition. For example, when we exercise or move to a high-altitude area, oxygen levels in the body decrease. Scientists discovered a system that allows cells to respond to these changes. A key part of this system is a protein called HIF, which stands for hypoxia-inducible factor. Under normal oxygen conditions, HIF is quickly broken down in the cell. However, when oxygen levels drop, HIF becomes stable and starts to function. HIF then activates specific genes that help the body adapt to low oxygen conditions. For example, it increases the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen. It also promotes the formation of new blood vessels to improve oxygen delivery. This system is essential for maintaining balance in the body. The discovery of this mechanism has important medical applications. For example, it helps us understand diseases such as anemia, cancer, and heart conditions. In cancer, some tumors use this system to grow by increasing their blood supply. By studying HIF, scientists can develop new treatments that target these processes. I find this discovery very interesting because it shows how the body can adjust to environmental changes at the cellular level. It also demonstrates the importance of regulation inside the body. In the future, this research may lead to better therapies for many diseases. Even though we do not usually think about oxygen at the cellular level, it plays a critical role in our health. This award reminds us that small molecular mechanisms can have large effects on the whole body. Thank you.